Hafa, I'm Danielle, or Dani for short, and for today's Chamorro language video, we're going back to the Guam basics with the Chamorro alphabet. Let's jump into it with the full alphabet first. Glota, A, B, Che, De, E, Fe, Ge, He, I, Ke, Le, Me, Ne, Nye, Nge, O, Pe, Re, Se, Te, U, Ze. Now we'll go through each letter and what they're supposed to sound like. I'll also elaborate on the more uncommon letters and what they'll sound like when reading different Chamorro words and phrases. Glota. This is a mark that is used to indicate an abrupt stop when pronouncing a word. Another example is the Chamorro word for teacher, which is maestro. If you can hear, it's maestro, so there's a stop in between the A and the E. A. This makes the same A sound in apple or astronaut. A. Ah. This A sounds like the ah in Australia. So if you see the symbol on top of the A, it's pronounced ah. Be. Sounds like the B in boy or best. Be. Che makes the same sound as chat or champion. Che. You see che used in chagi, which means to try, or chetlu, which means sibling or brother or sister. And you may hear the sounds cha and tsa used interchangeably depending on the words, and usually it's just more of an accent thing. So using the same words again, you might hear chagi pronounced as sagi, like come sagi, come try this. Or you might hear tsetlu instead of chetlu. Again, it just depends on the accent being used. De sounds like the D in dog or dedicate. De. E sounds like the E in elephant or excellent. E. Fe sounds like the F in funny or fantastic. Fe. Ge sounds like the G in gummy or gather. Ge. He sounds like the H in hat or hilarious. He. A letter that is not technically part of the Chamorro alphabet, but appears in a lot of more so like proper nouns like names would be the letter J in the English dictionary. But in Chamorro, that is pronounced as also he. So you would see that in Borja or Jesus. E sounds like the double E sound in ni. E. For example, the Chamorro word for godmother is Nina. So you wouldn't pronounce that Nina, it's Nina. Ke makes the same sound as the C in coffee. Ke. The Chamorro word for coffee is pronounced very similarly as cafe. And as of right now, my favorite coffee alternative is the RYZE Mushroom Coffee. Being the main source behind this channel as the host, the camera person, the editor, all these tasks can definitely become overwhelming at times, but I find that drinking this mushroom coffee helps me tackle one thing at a time and have an energy that lasts all day. If you want to learn more about the other benefits or try RYZE for yourself, then I'll leave my link in the description below along with my promo code for 15% off your order. Le sounds like the L in love or lullaby. Le. Me sounds like the M in mom or melody. Me. Ne sounds like the N in nose or nickname. Ne. Nye. This is a little different as the middle of your tongue will push to the middle of the roof of your mouth. Nye. And this makes the same sound as banyan tree or cognac. There's a little bit of a roll there. Nye. You'd see this in the capital of Guam, which is Hagatnya. So in that case, you wouldn't pronounce it Hagatna, Hagatnya. Nge. This is a sound that's made more towards the back of your throat, so you would kind of feel a little more constriction here when you pronounce it. Nge. And your tongue is not pushing against the roof of your mouth. You would see nge in words such as lenguaje. You see how there's like a constriction? Lenguaje, which means language. Another Chamorro word would be hinengi. You have the ng sound. Hinengi, which means faith or belief. Nge. O sounds like the O in orange or Oreo. O. Pe sounds like the P in papa or present. Pe. Re sounds like the R in red or raspberry. Re. Se makes the same S sound in sun or smile. Se. It's also the same S sound in subscribe. Se. Te makes the same sound as the T in taste or teeth. Te. U makes the U sound in rude. So not necessarily but U. An example where you would see U is the word duendes. So there's a duendes. And this refers to the elf-like or dwarf-like ghosts in the ancient Chamorro spirits. Z makes more of the DZ sound as compared to just Z. When we say the letter Z, our teeth come together, but our tongue kind of stays away from our teeth. When we're pronouncing Z, the tongue pushes forward towards your teeth. You would see this in a lot of names, like names of villages, such as Zigo and Zotnya. Z. Be sure to check out these other Chamorro language videos if you enjoyed this one, as well as my full channel for more on the beauty of Guam. And don't forget to leave a comment below, of course, so you can let me know what you'd like to see next. I will see you all in the next video. Adios!